20 million paid seats. 450 million potential users. Only 3.3% conversion. Microsoft Copilot is simultaneously the most widely deployed enterprise AI in the world and the most underutilized. 79% of enterprises have deployed it, but 74% cannot show measurable ROI. And here is the pricing detail the marketing never leads with. Copilot is not $30 a month. It is an add-on to a qualifying M365 license. The true all-in cost is $69 per user per month on E3, or $90 on E5. After base license increases that took effect July 1, 2026. The gap between marketing promises and actual experience is the central story of Copilot in 2026. Here's the honest review. First, the naming problem. When someone says we have Copilot, they could mean 7 different products at 4 different price points. The free Copilot chat has no access to your organizational data, no emails, no documents, no meetings. Microsoft 365 Copilot at $30 is the paid product that integrates into Word, Excel, Outlook, Teams, and PowerPoint through Microsoft Graph. These are fundamentally different products. Now, the true cost. As of July 1, 2026, base M365 prices increased. E3 went from $39, E5 from $60. Add the $30 Copilot add-on, and your all-in cost is $69 on E3 or $90 on E5 for SMBs under 300 users. The new Business Standard Plus Copilot bundle is $23.50 per user per month, the most accessible entry point. And the new E7 Frontier Suite at $99 bundles E5 Plus, Copilot Plus, Agent 365 Plus Entra Suite. Organizations already paying separately for E5 and Copilot actually save about $9 per user per month on E7. Now, where Copilot genuinely delivers, 3 use cases generate 80% of measurable value, and Forrester's study confirms 116% ROI. First, Outlook. Copilot drafts replies, summarizes long email threads, and flags meeting prep items. Pilots show 14 to 26 minutes saved per day. Second, Word Agent Mode, available April 2026. Lets Copilot plan and execute multi-step document work, not just suggest edits. It delivered a 67% increase in Excel engagement. Excel Copilot improved financial modeling workflows by 30 to 40% in enterprise pilots. Third, Teams Meeting Intelligence. Automatic meeting recaps with decisions, owners, and action items. Users who join late ask, "What did I miss?" and get a real-time summary. Teams Copilot alone often justifies the pilot investment within 60 days. Now, the honest limitations. Copilot sees what lives in your Microsoft 365 tenant and nothing else. Independent tracking of Copilot's accuracy (NPS) shows it was at -3.5 in July 2025, deteriorated to -24.1 in September. That means users are more likely to distrust its outputs than recommend them. And 44% cite distrust as the reason they stopped it. The biggest hidden cost: data governance. Copilot surfaces any document a licensed user has permission to access. Organizations with overly permissive SharePoint sharing discover that Copilot surfaces confidential documents. Data cleanup typically takes 2 to 6 months. The break-even math at $30 per user. A 500-seat pilot costs $180,000 a year. Each user needs to save just 4 hours per month to break even. Large enterprises. See 55% active usage without a structured adoption program. At 55%, your effective cost per active user jumps to $55. The organizations generating 300 to 600% ROI share 3 characteristics. They deploy to a focused pilot. They invest in AI champions, and they measure 90-day active usage rate. Deployments below 50% at day 90 rarely recover without direct intervention. Microsoft now offers Claude Opus 4.7 as an available model within the M365 Copilot ecosystem. You no longer have to choose. The $30 per user per month is not the variable that determines your ROA. The adoption rate and workflow fit are the variables. The honest verdict: yes, Copilot is worth $30 for the right users with the right program. The technology is not the risk. If this helped, like the video and subscribe to the AI Buzz. It really helps us grow.